All right, and welcome to another video. This is a kind of a speed through video. So the Micraventures series has fallen behind on IRL by close to a month now. So I'm just gonna summarize everything that's been going on for the last couple of weeks into this one video. Yeah, so on the previous video, if you guys watched that, I did a test drive. The car does move, but when I reversed on the last part, there was something wrong with the suspension that the madam mentioned. So what the issue was is when I reversed and turned the steering wheel, it actually hit the fender on the car, like the tire was grinding on the body of the car. So I then went back and did a bit of a search on the control arm, on the part. It actually had the part number. When I did that search, I found that this control arm actually belongs to a Nissan Almera, the 2016 model. Those are sedans, so I think it's a bit longer than my car, right? So the control arm ended up not being like centered. Yeah, but that's not the worst part, right? The worst part is, since they use the same VIN number or serial number, whatever they enter to give me this part, that means all the parts that I bought when 2 months ago were for the wrong car. And Masterpass has a weird street return policy, so yeah, spent about 4.5 to buy all the parts. So I bought the shock. On the previous video we did see that the shock didn't fit, and then yeah, but anyways, let's take a look at the subframe part because that's interesting. Okay, another day. Today is, yeah, whatever the day is, or the 19th. So I decided that I'm gonna put a thing on this car just to get it over and done with. It's pointless to do all this and then to undo everything. Now, these massive. Okay, so the bottle is massive. This thing is huge. So this is the right. But for it, I see it now. Now it's over. And something's off. Cool. But and off. Cool. Yeah. But this is again. This is like backwards. I'm just remove this and use the one. Let's see what's yes. Victory. Running victory. So still a bit wet, but I just gave it a nice wash just now. So now I'm gonna move the stabilizer bar over here, and then we can yank this bad boy onto the go. Cool. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so this is the new one going in. So what I did, because it's just me here alone, I put it down like on the floor, and then just try to move things over. So if you check there, the tie rods are now underneath the what's this thing called, the sway bar, and I did the same for the other side. And then I put it on jack stands, right? So this side is on jack stands, and then this side is on jack stands as well. So what I'm now doing is jacking up each side. jacking up each side very slowly, just trying to make sure it aligns with the holes, and that's it. This is actually much easier to put back than to take off. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing now. So every time I move this side, see this one, I go up. So it's not being nice, so check this off here. So I'm going to check. So I'm going to check this one. So see, it's not back, and then I check
higher, higher, higher. So yeah, you want to use these tools, they will get to check it properly, and then get these two here. Then I know it's really about the only important thing about would be the same there's one each side. I see the yeah, I'm hoping you know this side, but it's really check it in. Watch out, and you see probably a then I just go and then push it. That is enough. Sometimes you about is the thing is the and you think about it. Every time you up until it's full. I don't know about the thing I should type. So not about the there's one. And then yeah, so this back. So you here, you have to do this space. So I need this back in here. Yeah, when here, just like flash, and then it's a fast one. Okay, so let's see very gently. And check this one. But let's see, that's it. Oh, yeah, yeah, this one, and I start there. So far, I'm really so I'm going. Space here. Push this. Yeah, just go. Then I have to side by side. Yeah, I'm going to get here to push it out. And put this back now. This is always okay, so currently the steering wheel is straight, and this is not. I just sat down, but as you can see from the car, this is not straight. What you do to fix that is you need to loosen this. So I need this to be straight. I don't know how to kind of explain it from this angle I'm sitting now, but in order to get this to turn like this, I need to push this outward. So I think in the impact, the accident that I had, this was bent, I think somewhere inside, and now the tires are not straight. I should be changing the whole thing, but I can't find it. I can't find this thing. So what I will do for now is I'm gonna remove this, disconnect it from the hub, and then untie it a little bit, untie it enough, and then balance it with this so it doesn't go backwards. Then it will be straight. Simple stuff. Alright, so I remove this one, and do this for the stuff like it's just you can this. You can flip this back, like this enough to sit, and I'll see that go back, and then you move it, and then come. Okay, so let's start. So now let's do this. Move it forward, and then connect this and check the signal. So we don't know why. So now I don't know what this is. I'm just going to now. And then I open this. Why? Because so then put it back. So we yeah, so after connecting the tie rod and making my adjustments, I was able to like properly go for a smooth drive. I just went to like top up the fuel, but yeah, the car drives well. I don't want to drive it around. I'm taking it for wheel alignment tomorrow, and then we'll see how it is from there, which problems are left and what needs to be done. But yeah, the baby is back to life, so super happy about that.